Alright, what's up guys? So basically, last night was a fail. Tow truck came and they couldn't tow my car because I didn't have a fucking tow hook. So basically, I'm just gonna drive back up there and I just want to make sure my car didn't get towed because I left it in a parking lot overnight. And I just want to make sure I don't have a ticket. As long as I don't have a ticket, now I'm good. So basically, this is annoying. So I don't have tools, so I have to go to Joe's shop, grab tools, come back, take off my wheel, and get my wheel fixed. And then basically I have to bring my wheel back all in the rain. So that's fun. So I'm gonna go back home, wait for Steven to go to Joe's shop, and then from there we'll do this whole mission. But car's safe. Damn, it's pouring out here, but we at Joe's shop now. Fuck, I don't even want to get wet. I'm about to just pull right into the ditch. Nah, I can't even do that. I'm parked up here. Alright. Fucking raining, OD. This shit's fire. Yo! Look at this fucking Supra. This shit's fucking fire. Sheesh. Got the carbon splitter. You got the little diffuser going on. This shit's fire. Oh shit. Got the air set up. Yo, is that first low, bro? Look at him aired all the way up. Oh my god. My guy's monster truck right now. Sons. Where to back up into? I don't know what he's gonna do. Oh shit, best driver. Best driver. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh,
he got it.
Oh, best driver. Oh.
Team Maxos.
Alright.
Your turn.
Alright, can I make it through this?
So we got the breaker bar.
Yeah, the breaker bar.
Jack stand. And Tony says a jack in his car.
No,
already?
that's a lift. That's not a jack.
You have a jack in your car already, right?
No, that's a lift. Right there.
This is Petrol Works.
Petrol Works.
Good shop. Petrol Works. Moe's Mexican tacos. Yo, Q50.
Yo, this fucking big ass truck's gonna try and go before me. Like a fucking retard.
Oh, my man's wild.
Come on, bro. Stop doing that. Don't do that to yourself. Yo, if you need mobile tire service, hit up Indigo Auto Spa. They got you covered.
We got a tire off. With a scissor jack and a ghetto jack stand.
Bro, I didn't even know I needed fucking tires.
Oh, and he needs tires now.
Alright, let's go. God damn, this shit dirty.
How you're watching his markers' cars and how Sammy's okay with that. I don't understand that.
Damn, bro. I deadass went through this whole tire and didn't even know it. But gotta replace that fucking valve cap, boy. Stem. That shit is fucking cracked.
So I hired him right before the whole COVID went down. One of my boys' brothers.
Fuck, bro. That sucks. Yo! Both tires? Fuck. That fucked up the whole. Yo, we gotta reshoot it. We finally are back on road. Alright, so basically we're all good. We're back on the road. The light's on for the tire because there's no TPMS sensor. So, just gonna go to Joe's shop, top of the line to get the bags installed. Also got the wheels with me for a nice little test fit. Built motor.
Oh, you got a lot of your fans, pal.
Yo, fully built motor.
You got a lot of your fans. Fan.
Fucking come to the top of the line if you want to get bags installed. They'll even fix it if you mess up your order. My guy Joe really working hard.
I know he actually unfollowed me on Instagram.
Who?
Yeah, come to the top of the line, come chill in the hammock, chilling.
So cute, Joe. Fire. Bags are installed. I have to wait for the management to come because I ordered the wrong management, but what are you gonna do? This shit's gonna be fire when these wheels are ready to go on. But stay tuned, guys. Full shop. Okay, guys, just an update on the RCF. That's the first time you guys are actually seeing the wheels. We just mounted one on. Running into a little bit of an issue though. I have a small bend on one of my other wheels. Alright, so basically there's a slight bend in the rim right here. I think I'm gonna run it regardless because I was speaking with Joe and Joe said that it wouldn't affect the balancing or anything like that, but it is an imperfection. I mean, I wish it wasn't there, but I don't really want to spend mad bread to get this little tiny bend fixed. But getting wrapped in Pirellis, front tires coming tomorrow. Unfortunately, I won't be here for the rest of the build. One of my friends passed away, but when I get back, the car's gonna be ready. And I'll give you guys that update. See you guys soon. What is up, guys? Alright, so we're about to go to top of the line to go see the finished product. The wheels are on the car, the bags are on the car, everything's ready to go. The only thing is, it's actually not ready to go. The tires don't fit, they're rubbing, so I had to order different tires, a little bit thinner tires. Alright, we here. Joe's got like some fucking trike or something out in the front. Shit's crazy. What the fuck? Yo, you work on motorcycles now? God damn, there it is. Woo. Woo. That's crazy. This God, bro. This shit's beautiful. Oh my god. I'm mad happy right now. Where's the... Damn, this shit look beautiful. Bro. crazy. Damn, so my car finally has the wheels on it. Okay, so basically, I need to run stretch tires because this right here is not working. Good thing I got these P0s for free, so it's not like I'm really losing money, but still, it's kind of whack that I can't use them. And then these don't fit either. You can't fucking turn with them, so both these got to get switched. These actually are going to the rear, and I have another pair on the way for the front, but they're not Pirellis because Pirellis are on back order because it's fucking COVID, but whatever. I mean, we'll make it work. Gotta find out when these tires are coming. I'm gonna go talk to Joe, I guess.
To get your plastic right there?
Yeah.
So like anytime you make a turn, it rubs.
Damn. That's crazy.
So.
Yo. They got that trike running.
Lean back, all the way back. If you're falling, climb. Just don't hit your head.
You were in first gear the whole time? Oh my god.
Definitely got to give props to Joe on this trunk setup because everything is hidden. Like literally the whole thing. Like the whole thing is just hidden. And the compressor's up there. I mean the fucking air tank's up there. Got everything hidden. Have full trunk space. This wheel's bent somewhere, but I don't know where it is. It's not bad, but I kind of don't see where it is. Maybe it's like up here. I don't know. Check it out later. But this shit came out so clean. Right now it's on monster truck mode. That shit. You wanna do a burnout? Just air this shit out fully. This shit's crazy. God damn. My car's never been so high or low at the same time. I hear it rubbing too. God damn. Yo. Damn, that's crazy. That shit came out